Hi, this is Matthew again. Today is 10th of March 2019. So here is a new video. In this trading section, this is a new account as well. This is one of my students' accounts. So in this trading section, we are going to be trading the volatility index 100 digits differ. So I've logged into the trading platform. As you can see, we are using the webtrader. So these are the rules in this strategy. So we are going to trade for, because this strategy you have to set a time. You have to set the time. We are going to trade for like 12 minutes. 12 minutes, and we are going to trade 10 times. Yes, 10 times. Yes. So here I'm going to click on start. So I'll start the timer. So I'll go to volatility in this volatility 100 index. These are the rules. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Also, to get the broker account, just use this URL right here. These are forum. You can sign up to read tutorials there. So here is the volatility index 100. Then this we are going to use select the digits differ. Then we change this to state. We change this to 5 ticks. So here I'm going to be staking 10.10 USD. You can see the profit is low, but the strategy is 100% guaranteed. That's if you are patient enough to before you select before you click on purchase. So we are going to be working with the last two numbers here. So what we are going to be doing is, if this last two numbers, if there is a duplicate number that turns up, we select the number. You can see this 35, 84. Let's assume that we have 44. We change this to 4. So once there is a duplicate number that appears here, we change this to the duplicate number. Then we will now have to wait for the second to the last number to be the same as the duplicate number that appeared. So we have 74. It might take a while, so you have to be patient. That's 12, 28. That's 66. So I'm going to change this to 6. So once 6 appeared as second to the last number here, we'll click on purchase. You have to watch this. The second to the last number, once 6 appeared there, you click on purchase. That's here. 5, 6, 6, 5. Click on purchase. We are going to trade 10 times. You can see so we want the first trade. That's the first trade. So we start with 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 2, 9, 5, so that we'll know what we are handling with. So that's the first trade. So I'm going to type 1 here. So we are going to place the second trade again. So we have to watch the numbers again. If the numbers are duplicate here, you select the number 4. That's 4. So we have to wait for 4 to show up. That's 4 again. We click on purchase. That's the second trade. So we want the second trade. So we're going to trade for the third time. So we have to watch again carefully. That's 6, 1. So we have to wait for duplicate numbers to show up right here. Before we change this, that's 9. We change this to 9. So once 9 showed up in the second to the last number here, we click on purchase. second to the last number. In this strategy, you must not trade continuously. You have to time it. If you are trading like 5 times, you trade and stop. But in this section, we are going to trade 10 times. So we have to wait for that's 9. So we click on purchase. These are the rules again. See. So we want the third trade. So we are placing the fourth trade as 4, trade number 4. So we have to wait again. That's 5, we change it to 5. So we have to wait for 5 to show up as second to the last number here. That's 5, we click on purchase. So as you can see, we want the fourth trade, so we are going for the fifth trade. You can try with low amounts first. So we have to wait again for the duplicate numbers to show up. So we have 5 again. So I don't want to use 5. So let's wait for another digit to show up. That's 8. So we are going for 8. So we have to wait for 8 to show up here again as second to the last number. That's 8. We click on purchase. So that's our fifth trade. So we want the fifth trade. So we are going for the sixth trade. Sorry, sixth. That's 3. Change to 3. So let's give it some time for the number to. That's 3 again. Make sure you have a fast internet connection. So we click on purchase. 3 has showed up as the last 2 second to the last number. So that's the sixth trade. You can see we want the sixth trade. We are going for the seventh trade. We have not lost a single trade in this strategy. So you have to wait again for duplicate numbers to show up. So 5. You can see that sometimes it takes time for duplicate numbers to show up. You have to be patient. That's 3 again. We are going for 9 this time. I'm not going for 3. So once 9 showed up as second to the last number, we click on purchase. So that's our 7th trade. So we want the 7th trade. We are going for the 8th trade. We have 2 trades left to go in this trading section.
Witness my process and see my trial and error. Haters can't digest. This that rancor. My mama always tells me, and I was something special. Don't really know my pops.
That's 5. We are going for 5. You can see our timer. We still have 3 minutes left. That's 5. We click on purchase. Would always take me breakfast. Big I stopped laying. Knew I was on the habit. Before she leave would tell me. So we want that trade again. We are going for the 9th trade. Going for the 9th trade. You have to watch carefully again. That's 4, so we are going for 4. So once 4 shows up as second to the last number, we click on purchase. That's 4, we click on purchase. So we want that trade, so we are going for the last trade. Last trade. So watch again. We want all the night trades. That's 8. We are going for 8. So once 8 shows up, the second to the last number, we click on purchase. That's 8, so we click on purchase. That's the last trade. Remember to follow all the rules. Let's wait for the results. So as you can see, we won all the 10 trades. So this strategy is 100% guaranteed if you have patience enough and you watch the numbers carefully. So we are going to stop right. These are the rules again. So make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. As you can see, this is a new video. Today is 10th of March 2019. So I've set the timer and we've made 10 USD in this trading section. So you can stop, then maybe after like few hours you start over again. So thanks for watching. Bye.